Unveiling the power of technology, shaping a new world of efficiency. Imagine a world where every task is effortless, where innovation and efficiency intertwine to redefine our daily lives. That's the power of technology. From waking up to an alarm on our smartphones to commuting with GPS navigation, technology seamlessly integrates into our every moment. It's not just about convenience, it's about revolutionizing how we communicate, work, and solve problems. Technology bridges gaps and opens doors to new possibilities. Consider how medical advancements save lives every day, or how renewable energy technologies are combating climate change. The impact is profound. Yet, our dependency on technology is undeniable. It's become an extension of ourselves, shaping our habits, thoughts, and interactions. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must use technology wisely, ensuring it benefits society and does not widen the digital divide. As we stand on the brink of the next technological revolution, let's embrace the change, ready to transform the world for the better.